Hello, all you beautiful, wonderful subscribers and viewers to my channel. 10 million views. I think my channel went up officially in 2016. I came to the Philippines in 2015 of August, and just got this notification from YouTube recently. 10 million views and over 41,000 subscribers. Now, interestingly enough, um, most of the people who view my videos are not subscribers. I think like 70% or even more than that are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're new to this channel, you might subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get more notifications anyway. I do 2 to 3 videos every week on a number of topics: cost of living, real estate, condos, touring condos and housing developments, as well as travel videos and other just fun videos. Discuss some of the things and news going on here in the Philippines and around the world sometimes. Many people think I'm making lots of money with all these videos, but actually it's getting harder and harder to make money with YouTube. Partly because number of reasons. Number one, competition. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, a lot more than when I started. And secondly, even Google says their ad revenue is down, and that gets past. Google owns YouTube. When their revenue is down, our revenue is down substantially. I would say that I make, on average, less than half that I did a few years ago. Uh, for those reasons, I guess primarily. YouTube changes its algorithms, how they pay you, and they don't really tell you what the rules of the game are. So it basically comes down to how many people watch the latest video, and YouTube is like, what did you do for me today? I don't care about I don't care about last year or last month. And if you quit putting videos up, your revenue drops very, very quickly. And anyway, it helps pay for my girlfriend. Put it that way. I did a video a long time ago called "What does a girlfriend cost?" And got lots of comments, lots of views, and I finally took it down. There was enough negative views that I took that one down. But anyway, back to the algorithms. It's how many people watch your current video, how long do they watch it, do they watch any of the ads, how long do they watch the ads, do they share your video, do they do a thumbs up or thumbs down. I think you get a little credit either way for that. I'm generally 96 to 100% thumbs up. That's always good, I guess. I stay away from the. I've been very fortunate not to have the drama that some of these channels have had over the years. I try to put out interesting content, and I do a lot of voiceovers, so that takes a lot of time. And going forward, let me just tell you, somebody mentioned a while back, you're not amazing Philippines, you're amazing Cebu City, because that's most of what you do. Well, I took that to heart, and I'm going to do a lot more videos about the Philippines, about different regions, and those sorts of things will be coming up starting very soon. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm going to show you some of the data that I can get from YouTube as well here. Jumping over to YouTube Studio Analytics overview, top content in this period, and they've got the video average view duration, number of minutes, seconds, and number of views, which is interesting. Ferry from Cebu City to Dumaguete. This was April 2016. And the average view isn't that long, 38%, but 469, almost 470,000 views. Next, how much does it cost to build a house in the Philippines from 2019? 142,000 plus views. Average view about 30%, 4 minutes. Cost of living in the Philippines. This was a very recent video in January 2013, 121,000 views. Life in the Philippine province. 2020, right before the lockdowns. 5 minutes average, 97, almost 98,000 views. Houses that foreigners can own in the Philippines, 2017. This company is no longer in business here in the Philippines. They made container houses, basically, a number of different models and things you can put different containers together, and they laid out with electrical and plumbing and all that type of thing. And average view 45% or 3 minutes, 91,000 views plus. Banca Boat to Paradise. This was a Banca boat from Cebu City over to Hetafe on Bohol, the north end of Bohol. Back in 2018, 88,000 plus views. Moving to Iloilo City? Question mark. 2019, 86,000 plus views. How many Filipinos fit in a multi-cab? 2016. And kind of a fun video off of a construction site. My balcony overlooked this construction site, which was an IT park. And these guys just kept piling into this multi-cab, packed in there. 81,000 plus views. Exploring Iloilo City, Philippines from 2019. 72,000 plus. Expat options in the Philippines. Expat options and Philippine life are changing. 2020. 68 plus thousand. So go on to more information, more data. And even if I hit the top of the spike here, it tells me how many people view that particular day. Kind of interesting. So out here, and there's the graph goes on, and additional. Let's go down here where we started. How to load a cell phone, 66,000 plus. Ferry, Bacolod City to Iloilo City, 65,000. Exploring Philippines, life on the street, 62,000. Dumaguete, 62,000. In fact, that was Dumaguete, Philippines, a street tour of this big little city. Cebu firefighters doing their job near Osmeña Circle, and I had a pretty good view of a fire going on. I took a video of it, almost 60,000 views. Exploring province life in the Philippines, 59,000 plus. $70 apartment rental video I took over in Mactan Island. Park Point condos, 51,000. Life in the Philippines, Cebu City, 50,000. Cost of living in the Philippines, 6 months average, 50,000. Why did I move to the Philippines? And why did I stay? Almost 48,000. Actual cost of living. And here I go into a lot of the details that many vloggers leave out. A lot of the expenses past or get past your rentals and your food, and a little bit of travel, water, things like that, taxis, and there's a whole lot more expenses that will consume your budget if you're not careful. Actual cost of living in the Philippines. Ferry and bus, Cebu City to Bacolod City, 43,000 plus. The market, Mandawi, 43,000. I was really surprised when I got started looking at this. Dental costs in the Philippines, 41,000 plus. Why did I move to Cebu City? 40,000, almost 41,000. Philippines news update. And June 2020, after the lockdowns. Marco Polo condominiums, 39, almost 40,000. Walking encounters, 36,000 plus. Awesome Mactan Newtown, sale and rentals, 36,000. Persimmon, my new condominium, almost 35,000. Like a kid in a candy store, HMR surplus and imported items at HMR. So I've really been surprised. Philippine Visa Options, interview with JR at JRC Visa Consultancy. You have landed, now what? 34,000. New Ayala Mall is open. IT Park. December 8th, 2019, when the new Ayala Mall opened up there. Philippines, what do I really think after 4 years? From 2019, 33, almost 34,000. Awesome Carbon Market. 9 best cities to live in the Philippines, 33,000. Girls interview at Ayala. Camella Homes, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. Exploring Cebu City, Horizon 101 and more. Condos for rent. City Suites, Cebu City. Budget and low cost living in the Philippines. Should you move to Bohol, Philippines? Can you handle the Philippines? Choosing where to live in the Philippines. And on Kenny Rogers roast. And more and more and more. Thanks again so much to all of you. I know I have many very, very loyal subscribers over the years, for many years. I just really appreciate that. And I will. My plan is to continue to put out videos, and I mix it up. I mix it up a bit, different topics, different types of videos. Like I said, I will be doing more Philippine focused instead of just Cebu and Visayas focused videos. Thinking about what types of videos newcomers might want, those who are thinking about the Philippines. I've had a number of people say, I'm here because of you. So I feel honored, and also a responsibility to put out good, honest information. And as I said, mentioned before too, I'm planning probably 1 or 2 more channels. One will be a little bit health related. I've owned a domain name for many years that'll fit into that, and maybe even a website with that. And then another channel, maybe not on YouTube, maybe on some other platform. YouTube has certain rules, and they'll censor certain types of discussions, so best to take some discussions elsewhere. Anyway, thank you so much. You all have a good day, good evening, wherever you are in this world, and we'll see you next time.